Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at ISC 2017 in Frankfurt, and I'm here with John from Red Hat. John, welcome to Germany.
Yeah, well, thank you.
Well, thanks for having me at the booth. I understand you have a very innovative new server here. Can you tell us more about it?
Yes, I certainly can. So this here is part of a collaboration between Red Hat, HPE, and Cavium, the company that makes the server SoCs on here. This is a 64-bit ARM prototype server we're calling a advanced development platform. And it's part of an overall project that HP have created called the Comanche program. There's a whole bunch of different collaborators across the industry working together to do cutting-edge research in terms of future architectures for HPC.
Okay, so this is targeted at the HPC market then, as a development tool?
Correct, and we have a number of HPC collaborators. So what you're seeing here is a 2-socket 64-bit ARM design. There are 8 DIMMs per SoC, and this is not 2 different machines. This is one single system, and then it's in a sled form factor that goes into a standard HPE Apollo chassis.
Okay. So these guys could take their codes that have been there for years on other platforms, get them adapted, and get them to run at scale? Yeah?
Correct, and in fact, from a software point of view, this runs unmodified Red Hat Enterprise Linux server for ARM. So you don't have a custom OS. It's just standard RHEL for the ARM architecture. And then from a software point of view, from a user perspective, in terms of applications, we have the Red Hat Developer Toolset, which gives you a very, very new GCC compiler. We're also working with communities like the OpenHPC community, and we're working with those who are optimizing libraries. So you will have seen announcements from ARM and NAG around newer tool chains and newer tools.
Okay, in this case you're going to market with HPE, but are there other vendors that might adopt this as a framework?
Yeah, and we're not talking about going to market kind of at this point in terms of timelines, but you can imagine we work together because we certainly want to advance the cause. And we are working with many other OEMs as well. Again, what we're trying to promote here is what we call a multi-architecture future. So we have, as one of my execs puts it, we want all paths to lead to RHEL, right? So what we want is if you're a customer in your Red Hat shop, now there's other operating systems out there and I wish them well, but if you are a Red Hat shop, and I encourage everybody to be a Red Hat shop, then what you can do is you can say, hey, I'm using Red Hat today on my existing servers. I want to run RHEL on new emerging architectures, and you can do that. And it runs unmodified. You have the same experience.